In this video, we're going to find the derivative. So we're going to find f prime of x as our instructions. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to rewrite this radical as an f fractional exponent. So f of x equals 8 to the 7th, x to the 7th plus 2x cubed. At the same time I'm writing that as a fractional exponent, I'm going to split it into two separate fractions. So x to the 1/2, x to the 1/2. Now, I'm going to write, I know I have to subtract my exponents, so I'm going to rewrite these exponents in halves. So instead of 7, I would have 14 halves, and instead of 3, I would have 6 halves. Now, because we're doing division, we're going to subtract our exponents. So we would have 8x to the 13 halves plus 2x to the 5 halves. Now we're going to go ahead and take our derivative because we haven't done any calculus yet. So remember, our exponent comes out front, so we've got 8 times 13 halves x. Then I'm going to subtract our fancy one, which is 2 halves. So that would be 11 halves. Plus 2 times 5 halves. I bring the 5 halves to the front. And then we've got x. I'm subtracting our fancy one, so that would be 3 halves. This point is just cleaning it up a little bit. So the 2 goes into the 8 4 times. Let's see, 4 times 13 would be 52. X to the 11 halves. Plus these 2's would cancel. 5x to the 3 halves.